We'll guide you through how to fix no media volume or sound coming through or working on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying, as perhaps you're trying to go and play a video, listen to some audio, and it's not working. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing. Make sure it's full video and hopefully you'll be able to go and get it working again. So to go and get started with this, what you want to do is go and swipe up like this. You want to go and find the option for settings and go and find connections. Then you want to go and find Bluetooth. Now what you should do here is you want to go and turn Bluetooth off if it's currently on, because what can happen is your device is currently connected to a Bluetooth device and it's trying to go and play the sound through there. So try turning that off, go and see if that resolves it. Next, what you need to do is come down again and find sounds and vibration. And then what you want to do is go and find volume. And now you've got these different options here. And so what you want to do is go and find media, and it may be the case it's turned all the way down. So what you want to do is try turning it up by tapping, holding, and dragging. And then hopefully it'll go and start working. Go and see if it does. If you're finding that it still doesn't, the next thing you want to do is come out of here and you want to try performing a restart. Sometimes it can just be a software problem, which is why this isn't working. So you can go and tap and hold the side button like so to get to the power menu. Alternatively, you can go and drag down like so, and then drag down again and press the power button. Then you can press restart and press restart again. Go and wait for your Samsung phone to go and reboot. It shouldn't go and take too long. Then when it does, go and unlock it. And hopefully now it's working. Try playing some media. What's also worth doing is just playing it from different apps or sources as well, because it could just be a problem with the app or website or whatever you're trying to go and use. So try using other sources as well. Now, if you're still finding it doesn't work across multiple different sources, then what we want to do is go and swipe up, go and find the option for settings. You want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for apps, as you can see. Now, go and wait for this to load. What we're going to do here is once it loads, you'll go and see a list of the apps on your device. And what we want to do is go and start reviewing them. You want to go to the right of your apps and press the sort button. And you can go down and set last updated. So you can go and see the most recent apps. And then you want to go through them. If you think there may have been an app which caused a problem, you should try uninstalling it. So for example, maybe you went and got an app and then the sound stopped working. It could be a problem with that app causing it. Then what you can do is go and tap on the app and go to the bottom and go and press uninstall. And you can go through the list there. It's unlikely, but it's worth checking just in case it went and caused a problem. Now, if that still hasn't worked, what we're going to try doing is going and grabbing some headphones. What may be happening is that your phone is trying to go and output through the headphones. So you can try doing this, sometimes just plugging in some headphones into the jack, just temporarily. Just wait a few seconds and then unplug, can go and resolve the problem as it triggers to go and start using the speaker again. And do just check the port as well, in case there's any dust or debris in there, because then what can happen is the phone thinks there's headphones connected and it tries and outputs to it. So just make sure it's clear. But what you can also do is go and get an app. So you can go and open up the Play Store. We can go and head to the bottom and press search at the top. And you want to go and type in disable headphone. So you can go and get an app, which will essentially then go and force the sound to come through the speakers. So you can go and install this one here. This is the one I use. It's really easy to use. Essentially, when you've got it, you can go and open it up and you literally just press speaker and it'll then go and force the sound to come through the speaker if it's trying to go and put it through the headphones. So hopefully that will go and solve it. Now, if you're still finding it's not working, then it can be more of a hardware problem. So this may sound a little bit weird, but what some people have tried doing is simply massaging the phone in case there's something a bit loose in it or whatever. Also try tapping as well. Obviously do it really gently, but some people have reported this online saying it can go and solve the problem. So just try massaging it and gently sort of tapping it. No, it does sound weird, but it's worth giving it a go if it can go and solve the problem. And so hopefully now it's solved. If it still isn't, you may need to go and get it repaired by a professional, but hopefully it is. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again soon. Have a great day and check out the channel for more useful guides. We post videos like this every single day. So I look forward to help you again. And if you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below.